Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe on the bottom of this page right here, and make sure that you give a thumbs up if you do like this video. And if you haven't followed me on my social media, my name and Instagram and on Facebook is Makeup Artist 27. So there'll be Instagram, you can follow me, Makeup Artist 27, and on Facebook you put facebook.com/Makeup Artist 27 and you follow me there. So on today's video we're gonna be doing a tutorial using the blood sugar from Jeffree Star. I ordered this palette last month in November. Well, this video will probably be on January. So I ordered this palette on November. I think it was for like close to Black Friday. They put it back in stock and I was like, okay, why not? I need to have it. I was dying to get a Jeffree Star product, and this is my first product from him. His makeup and his formula is just amazing. It is so easy to blend. It's like amazing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this beautiful look that I did for you guys, which I loved. Okay, see you and let's get started. So let's get started with this makeup. I'm gonna be using the Colourpop concealer. Just gonna put it there. So I'm gonna be using the blood sugar palette. And I ordered this a while back. I just haven't been able to use it, but I got it now. We got it. And I'm gonna dip into the color Cavity, which is that hot pink right there. And we're gonna put that here. Today we're gonna go colorful, guys. It's been a while. And we're gonna take the color Coma, which is right there. And we're gonna put that on the outer right here. See that? And we're gonna bring that in right now. I'm trying to use products that I haven't used in a long time. So I'm gonna take this Pro concealer from LA Girl, and we're gonna use that to cut the crease a little bit. Alright, so both of them are done. And now I'm gonna take the same pink, the Cavity, that one, And I have the SL Miss Glam. I got this on the Ipsy Bag. It's just like an eyeshadow. And we're gonna put that at the here. And then now we're gonna take the Coastal Scent eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna dip into the white there, which is called Glucose. That one. And we're gonna apply that in the front of this. I want it to be really tiny because I can go in deeper into the skin there. I need to fix I'm taking the make sure you blend that really well. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, then we're gonna apply some shadow to the bottom. So I'll be right back. Okay. So ya me apliqué. Talking in Spanish here. So I applied the foundation, which I use the NYX foundation Can't Stop Won't Stop, which I love. One of my favorite drugstore's foundation right now. And I'm gonna apply the concealer there. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer, and yeah. I have the Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna take this right here, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom. I don't even know if this is, I don't think this is from there, but I don't know where this is from. The padding. Up here somewhere. It's in here. Look at my nose. Forehead, which is always like. Let it sit for a while. And we're gonna wait 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. That is set and good to go. Loving this. I'm loving the Huda Beauty baking. So now what we're gonna do is, now we're gonna put some on the lower, and we're gonna use the cavity color, and I'm using this small brush from Vera Mona, which I think I got this in Ipsy or somewhere, and we're gonna put that on the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab candy floss, just like a lighter pink, and I'm gonna just put that on the inner corner a little bit, not so much. This is very, very, very light. I'm gonna use this Morphe setting spray that I finally got. I'm gonna spray it on the fan. And this is gonna be shocking, guys, because this is a really glowy. Look at that. I mean, it's not even glowing like I thought it would. Like in my face I see it, but over there it's hard. I see it. I don't know if you see it. I'm gonna put some on my face. I'm gonna take a little bit of that same candy floss, glucose there. And I'm gonna put that on the top. I'm gonna use the Fit Me, Maybelline, and Luxie brush from 532. I always like to set that up. I'm gonna take this Morphe sugar. I'm gonna set that up. I feel like this, it's not working. Like I don't feel it in my face. I don't know if this thing is broken or what. I have this ultra matte Hello Kitty. Usually I like to put some Vaseline or lip balm so it doesn't get so dry, because Colourpop can be dry sometimes. And this is Milk Bottle, which is like a light pink. I don't want to go too shocking. Let's use the It Cosmetic mascara, which is a good mascara. It's like awesome. Then we're gonna use this white pencil, which is from LA Colors. We're gonna put it on the bottom. So guys, thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. And if you want to see other tutorials using other palettes, and you want me to use a palette, and hopefully I have it, just make sure you leave that on the bottom of this page, and I'll try and bring you a tutorial using the palette if I do have it. If I don't have it, then nothing I can do. I don't want to order it if just for a tutorial, you know. So I have a bunch of palettes, and just let me know which ones you want me to do a look on. And yeah, hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you next time.